How's everyone doing? Today I'll be doing an unboxing review of Hellraiser limited edition metal pack from the Netherlands. Very nice design right there with Pinhead. Love the movie, and really nice looking again. And if you've seen Hellraiser, definitely let me know what you think of it. But now I'm going to give you a more in-depth look at the Hellraiser limited edition metal pack, so let's check it out. Here's the Hellraiser limited edition metal pack from the Netherlands. Very nice edition. And there's a Pinhead right there in the front. And I like the nice blood splatter behind him. Very cool. Clive Barker's the original Hellraiser. And it has a very nice smooth matte finish. Very nice and simplistic, really works well. And here we go, here's the spine, and this is how you can tell it's an actual metal pack instead of a steelbook. The steelbooks are a little bit more sturdy, but you can tell right there the hinges. But this edition looks very nice. And again, it has the title right there in the middle of the spine. And here we go in the back. I really like the artwork that they chose, the scenes right here. Very cool. And I appreciate how this right here is actually in English, that little excerpt from Stephen King. And then all the rest is in Dutch. Very cool. Alright, I know this is, don't bend or something like that, but what is this spider logo for? What does that mean? If anybody knows, let me know. I guess this, the rating, you have to be 16 or older to watch it. I've seen some other ones that have like liquid or stuff on there, but I don't know what the spider emblem is. I don't know what that means. I've seen that on other ones as well. It means, don't open it up, there could be bugs in there, I don't know. We don't have anything like that over here in the States, so I have no idea what that could mean. And this is a Region 2 release, so you have to have a Region 2 player or a Region Free player to play it. It will tear your soul apart. Very cool. Let's go ahead and open it up. And there's some nice disc artwork right there. Just some blood splatter. And here we go, an advertisement for some more metal packs right there. All kinds of different ones. Equilibrium right there. Silent Hill. American History X. We Were Soldiers. Let's see what ones we got on the back here. Some ones I never would expect to have metal cases or special editions. The Notebook, well, I guess the Notebook's popular. Chocolat, I Am Sam. I wouldn't expect that. Miss Potter, What Women Want. I actually think What Women Want is very, very funny. Serendipity, I love that movie. I'm surprised it has any kind of special edition like that, though. Kate and Leopold. Good Will Hunting. All these ones I'm very surprised that they have like metal pack editions for. Usually you see these more for, action, sci-fi, horror, and stuff like that. Ali, kind of surprising as well. But here we go, here's the interior artwork. It's a star metal pack right there. And I love the interior artwork in here. That's just awesome. Love that. The female Cenobite and then Chatterbox right there. Very cool. Go ahead and show the artwork behind here as well. Butterball. And there we go, there's Pinhead. Very cool. Love that. Fantastic inside artwork. Really appreciate when they do interior artwork like this, and this is just excellent. If you're a fan of this movie, you will love this edition. Everything they put into it, especially this artwork, love that. Great choice for the artwork. Very cool. Go ahead and put this back in here. And this advertisement. Very nice. So there you go. There's the Hellraiser limited edition metal pack from the Netherlands. Fantastic looking edition. If you're a fan of the film, I think you'll really appreciate this. So there you go, there's my unboxing review of Hellraiser limited edition metal pack from the Netherlands. Again, very nice edition, and if you've seen Hellraiser, definitely let me know what you think of it. Leave me a comment or video response down below. Hope everyone's doing well. Take care.